In this video, we're going to show you how to assemble your chair. Clear a space on the floor, unpack the box, lay out all the parts neatly and move the box out of your way. Firstly, fully extend the seat pan by using this lever to access the 2 screw holes at the top. Next, position the backrest into the seat pan and firmly click that into place. Then, with the 2 bolts, secure the backrest into position. Then position the gas stem onto the seat, removing the safety cap. And then place the base on top of the gas stem. Next, turn the chair so that it's the right way round. To attach the armrest, undo the lever underneath the chair. Slide the armrest into the bracket and clip it into place. To assemble the neckrest, undo the bolt at the bottom of the neckrest bar. And remove the cap. Position the neckrest onto the bar. Next, remove the cap on the backrest. And attach the bracket in its place. Then attach the neckrest bar onto the 2 pins and replace the cover and screw that into place. And there we go. Your chair is now fully assembled and ready to be used. Watch our next video to learn how to set up your chair.